Do you want to learn how to create an estimate form with calculation? Then keep watching. Estimate forms with calculation are a great tool for service providers or any professional where a job estimate is crucial to showcase their expertise and win over potential clients. Regardless of your profession, a clear and detailed estimation helps clients understand the scope of work and estimated cost, establishing credibility and confidence in your services. In this video, I will show you how you can create an estimate form that provides an approximate calculation of the time, costs, and resources needed to complete your projects. But before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more useful content every day. So, let's first build our form. Let's head over to our dashboard and use one of our ready-to-customize templates. Today, let's use this job estimate form. As you can see here, this is a single-step form. All questions are shown on the single page. A multi-step form means each question is shown on a new separate page. You can add new fields and add the questions you want to ask your clients to estimate service costs, remove fields, or move them with drag and drop. You can also change the look of your form here in the Design tab. As you can see here in this template, we've added various field types such as text, email, and phone to collect the client's information. Then we included a few number fields asking for additional details about the required service. For example, here, to ask for the number of employees needed, we included a number field so the customers could enter how many employees they need. That way we can add all the extra charges to the total price. Now let's open the Logic tab so we can set the logic of our form to calculate the total price. Now we can set up a fee for each type of service by creating our conditions. For example, if the type of service is cleaning, then add 15 to the price variable field. Now let's add a section field to the end of our form and use the answer piping feature to display the total price. All we have to do is to put price in the description of our section field and it will automatically display the calculated price. Great! Now our estimation form is ready and it will automatically calculate the final price of our service and we can easily collect payment directly from it. To do this, let's enable the Form with Payment option from our Form Editor's Settings tab. Then let's go to the Calculator tab to choose our currency. And finally, to create a new payment method, let's click on the profile icon at the top menu of our dashboard and select Payment Methods and choose our payment gateway. Finally, go back to your dashboard editor and select the payment method you just created from the Settings tab. And voila, we have just created an estimate form with calculation in just a few steps. You can also embed your forms on your website or convert them into a chatbot to enhance the user experience. If you are curious on how to do this, check out our tutorial playlist. You can sign up at Formulu for free and start empowering your business to grow even faster. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share with your friends. Happy formuling!